How to skyrocket your push-up count to 80 reps in one go. Be honest, do your arms start shaking after 20? Maybe you grind your way to 30 before collapsing. Here's the truth. Doing more push-ups isn't just about muscle power, it's about neural power. See, push-ups aren't just an exercise, they're a skill. And like any skill, your brain learns the movement pattern long before your muscles catch up. That's why you keep hitting that same ceiling every time. Your nervous system taps out first. So here's the secret sauce: stop training to failure. Start training your brain. It's called the grease the groove method, and it's how elite athletes build insane endurance without even realizing it. Instead of burning out in one big set, you spread smaller sets across your day. Each set, crisp form, no fatigue. Each rep, building stronger neural memory. You're literally teaching your body to become more efficient with every push-up. And after a few weeks, that limit of 30 turns into 50, then 60, and suddenly 80 doesn't feel impossible anymore. It feels automatic. This isn't some gym myth, it's neuroscience meets discipline. You're not just building muscle, you're building a smarter system. So here's my challenge. For the next 2 weeks, try this method and track your results. Then come back and tell me, how many push-ups can you do in a row now? And don't stop here. Your next level starts with the video on screen. Click it before your motivation fades, and let's break your limits, 1 rep at a time.